Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC with massive cash being pumped into Terra Classic within just 20 hours. Now, over $57 million. This is a lot of money. A lot of money people have actually pumped back into Terra Classic. Terra Classic have gained over $57 million more market cap within the past 20 hours. I'm happy now. The market cap of Terra Classic is now trading between $562,258,357 market cap as of the time of recording this, and I'm happy to see. In fact, Terra Classic have actually gained about 10.15% more market cap as of the time of recording this. About 10.15% more market cap has been pumped into Terra. So this is good to see that people are actually buying this coin. People are investing back on Terra Classic. It is good to see that about more than 10% of the current market cap has been added back again into Terra Classic. So we wish to see this hitting over 50%, because by the time it gets to 50%, we should be talking about $800 million market cap. And if you ask me, I still believe that in the next 3 months, LUNC can gain over 200% of the current market cap. That is about $1.5 billion market cap. And with about $1.5 billion market cap, Terra Classic will definitely hit towards 100 to 250% increase in price. Yes, 100 to 250%, if not 400 or 500%. So we need more market cap, we need more cash flow, we need more money to flow into Terra Classic. We want more people to pump in money, want to see Terra Classic gaining more. Okay, so I believe that, and I'm happy to see over 57 million. This is a lot of money. $57 million is a lot of money within 20 hours. So it is good to see that LUNC can still control such high trading volume within 1 day. Terra Classic can control such high trading volume. So I'm happy. I'm really happy for this. So let's hope for the best and let's keep supporting Terra Classic. And I believe that very soon LUNC will definitely change. Everything is going to change for good. Everything is going to rise, and we're going to see Terra Classic at a very high top. Please remember to like this video, share our video. Drop your comment what you think about Terra Classic, and do you think Terra Classic market cap can reach 2 billion within the next 3 months, or do you think that LUNC will take the whole year in order to hit $2 billion market cap? Once again, thank you for stopping by.